you're out there, say something. Or give me a sign. I won't even say anything. Just, I want to know if you're okay. Mike? 11?
Hey guys, my name is Anthony Zapata. This is my 1996 328 IS M3 swap. Alright guys, so I just got this BMW in a trade. I straight traded my 1993 NA Miata for this. My Miata had coilovers and a roll bar, that's about it. This car, from my knowledge, it has a S52 M3 swap. The motor has about 95,000 miles. I have the ECU, the cluster, and the motor and the wiring harness. From what I've seen, the car comes on BMW Z3 wheels, staggered setup. The headlights are the Angel Eye headlights. From what I know, this is the M3 front bumper. The interior is pretty much complete. The guy told me that he was changing it from tan to black. I know I have the M3 side mirrors. Other than that, that's pretty much all I know about the car. I know the car has a couple problems, such as fuel cutting in the first and second gear. A little bit of a misfire that I'm trying to diagnose. And we're trying to get it to pass smog. So this is the BMW S52 motor. Normally in the 1997, 1998 BMW M3, for my knowledge, that's what the owner swapped in. Everything for the most part looks pretty clean. He just did the cooling system. We're going to do the regular maintenance like oil, any sort of filters that we can change. Probably clean out the mass airflow sensor. Other than that, it's looking pretty clean. I'm just trying to do my research and get to know the BMW motor as best as I can and try to make this thing run as best as possible. So if you guys have any suggestions on what we should do to the build, we're trying to do a budget build, not trying to spend too much money, but we are definitely trying to get this car running tip-top shape, looking pretty mean. So if you guys have any comments, let us know.
So as you can tell, maybe this is not Anthony, this is Danny again. It's been a couple months since we filmed that video. As you can tell, I was probably still in school because I was in a school parking lot, but I want to fill you guys in a little bit of what actually has gone on since then. If you heard Anthony a little bit previously, he said there was a couple issues with the car, couldn't pass smog, there was a misfire issue. He traded his 1993 Miata for this 1996 BMW 328 IS M3 swap. And he was also given a little bit of money on top to diagnose these things. So it was a crazy, incredible deal, especially for how fast this car is compared to the Miata and how low miles it is compared to his Miata. His Miata was 200 plus miles, 200,000 plus, and this car was under 100K. So pretty crazy. I want to read you guys off a couple things he has done since then to try and fix the problem. I know he has gotten it smogged. I know he has diagnosed a lot of the misfiring at the first and second gear, and I will tell you guys what he has done so far right now. So this is straight from Anthony himself. He has replaced the spark plugs and gapped them correctly. He has done ignition coils, a smoke test for vacuum leaks. He has installed a one-way valve for the fuel rail that was missing completely. He has replaced the crankcase ventilation system, cleaned the throttle body, replaced intake air temperature sensor, going to order camshaft position sensor as resistance tested on pin connector was 0 ohms. So it was dead. So currently Currently, he has the idea of the crankshaft position sensor is dead, and that's actually what is cutting his car to go off. Right now, he doesn't have so much of a problem while driving, but when he is at idle, sometimes the car will just straight up die on him. So that is exactly where we are at right now with the build. You will be seeing a lot more of Anthony in the future. He's actually going to try to start helping me wrap cars as well. He wants to learn. If you want to get your roof wrap or your hood wrap, you can hit me up in my Instagram. I'll leave a link somewhere around here. It's @dcord on Instagram with 2 T's. And if you want to get your hood or roof wrap, it's around $150 for normal cars. If you have a big truck or something, it's going to be a little bit more depending on how much more vinyl I need. I'm not going to charge extra for labor for the bigger cars or the bigger trucks, but I'm going to charge a little bit extra because vinyl is going to cost more, obviously. But that is this video. Expect Anthony a lot more videos. This project car is going to be sick. We have some more really cool things coming to you in the future, guys, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, like the video. If you didn't like the video, comment and subscribe. Holla back at us.